I typically refer to myself as a jack of all trades, master of none. My day-to-day job is everything from strategizing what kinds of projects could be done, gathering teams together to do planning studies, feasibility studies, preliminary designs, as well as doing regulations, permitting, environmental documentation, anything that needs to be done to take an idea to fruition, to design, and ultimately construction. So I'm Leslie Dumas, and I'm a senior technical leader in the water business line, and I focus in on integrated water resources management. So integrated water resources management is a field where we take and look at all the different water resources that are out there, how they integrate into each other, and how we can best create projects that benefit our clients. What's really neat about my job is that it's never the same problem. Every program, every project, every client has a unique situation that we have to deal with. What most people don't understand and don't realize is that we are having groundwater overdraft problems nationally. It's occurring not just in California, not just in the West. It's happening in the Midwest. It's happening in the Great Plains with the Ogallala Aquifer, the Edwards Aquifer, and Florida's now experiencing it. Recently, in the last 6 months, I've taken on a position to start to build a market in Florida to do the planning, to do the permitting, the consumptive use permits, for example, and to try to bring some of this ideas of managing all waters as one water versus segmenting it across, this is recycled water, this is surface water, this is groundwater, and trying to bring these more advanced ideas of how we manage our water supplies and our water resources to a market that hasn't traditionally done it. How you come in and how you address those overdrafts, how you bring in recycled water as an alternative source, how you used brackish water desalinization. It's like we have this massive toolbox of all these different things that we can be doing. And you just have to figure out how you put the right sets of tools together to address the problem, regardless of where you're at. It's trying to manage how we're extracting groundwater so that we're not impacting users, we're not impacting interconnected surface waters like lakes and rivers and creeks.